So today we are going to discuss the admission process in the Telangana. The counseling is conducted by Kaluji Narayan Rao University of Health Sciences. So in this video we are going to tell you that how the management seat is distributed between the locals and non-locals. As you know that the already convener quota means government quota seats, the application is out. Soon we will finding the application for the management quota seat also. So let's see the division of the seat here. In the case of Telangana, what we see, the seat is divided into a competent quota, and the management quota. So all the colleges which is non-minority colleges, the seat is divided into 50% will be a competent quota, means it will go to the government, and the 50% will be to the management seat. So this is the divisions what the Telangana non-minority colleges are following. Let's see how the divisions happens. See, if you consider that there is a 50% of the management seat, what they do is the 15% will be the NRI quota, the 15% will be NRI quota, and rest of the 35% will be the management quota. In the management quota, the 85% of the seat, in this 35%, 85% is reserved for the local candidate, and 15% of the seat out of 30% of the seat in a management category will be for the open to all, and it is also called non-local candidate. Let's say take an example of Chalwana Anandra Institute of Medical Science, Karim Nagar. They are having 200 seats. So 50% seat will be the competent quota and 50% seat will be the management quota, means it will be equally divided into 100 and 100. Then further management quota, out of 50% of the seat, 35% will be the NRI seat. 15% will be the NRI seat and 35% will be the management quota seat. So it will be 30 seats and 70 seats. So now out of 35%, 85% is reserved for the local, means only the local student they can take, is will be the 59 seat. So if you are applying from out of Telangana, then you will be left over with out of 200 seats the 11 seats. So you are competing basically for the 11 seats in the case of Telangana if you are looking for the fee structure of 11 lakh rupees. See, in the case of the private university, remember, in the case of the private university, we are having only one private university. The college name is Nilima Institute of Medical Sciences. So in that college, there is no government seat. So 100% seat will be coming to the management category. So in this, 15% will be the NRI seats. The 15% is the NRI seat, and the 85% of the total seat will be for the management category. In that 85% of the seat, in this case only 25% of the seats are reserved for the local. So how much? 25% of the management seat are reserved for the locals, and 75% of the 85% will be reserved for the unreserved. So let us see how the seat is divided. Now Nilima Institute of Medical Sciences is having 200 seats. Okay, so now in that, the B category, this all is the B category seats. So what we have told that the 25% of the seat, the 25% will be seat for the Telangana students, so 43 seats, and the 75% of the management category is for the non-local, so 127 seats, and the 30 seats will be for NRS. Here the fee structure is not the same, here the fee structure is totally different. In the case of the management quota seats, the fee structure here is the 15 lakh, not like the private colleges where the fees is 11 lakh and the NRI fees is right now it is 22.5. So let us see. So what we found here, that here the 25% of the seats are only coming to the management category and 15% is the NRI. In the 25% of the 85% seats are reserved for the local students. Remember, this is a Muslim minority college, so it is reserved for the Muslim minority students. And in the case of non-locals or open to all, it is the 15%. So it is 60% government, 25% management quota, and 15% will be the NRI. So what I told you, the 16% of the seat will be of A category, 25% will be the B category, and the C category NRI will be the 15%. So 60% of 150 seat what Deccan is having, that 90 seat will go to the government, which will again be filled by the competent quota counseling. 25% of the seat, this is a management seat, and the 23% of the seat is, sorry, 15% means 23 seats are the NRI seats. So the local student, local Muslim minority student, they are having 31 seat in the case of Deccan Medical College, and outside student or open to all seats are the 6 seats. So what I told you, so if you go through, there is a special quota for army, in the army dental colleges. So in this college there is total 50 seats. In that 41 is reserved for the army category, one is for the ward of air force, and one is for the ward of navy, and 7 is the competent quota seat in the case of army dental. Let us see the cutoff for the management quota seats in Telangana. So if you see the few colleges like Father Colombo, Nova, then TRR and Surbi, these colleges you see the cutoff up to the 5,50,000 rank, whereas the Nilima has gone up to 5,65,000 rank. So here what we see, that the cutoff at the end will reach till 5,50,000. So if you are having rank up to 6 lakhs in Telangana, you can try for the local seat if you are from Telangana. Coming to the minority category seat, Deccan is quite famous, so it closed for 3 lakhs rank. In the round 2 only the seat got over. If you go with the Sadhan and Ayan college, the Sadhan college has gone up to the rank of 3,58,000, where the Ayan has gone second round up to 4,83,000. The Dr. VRK Women's Medical College, which is specially for Muslim minority women's college, and this rank is gone up to 4,23,000. In the case of the dental seat, it will go up to the 9 lakh rank, and for the local students, so depend upon colleges, the cutoffs will be there in the dental colleges. So if you see overall, if you are a local student, you are safe till 6 lakhs. If you are a Muslim minority student, you are safe till 5 lakhs to get the seat, and if you are looking for the dental seat as a local student, you can get up to the 10 lakhs. So this video is presented by ICCC Bharat. Going with the history of ICCC Bharat, it was started in 2019 by the expert people with experience of 10 to 15 years in the field of education counseling. And we are providing admission from MBBS to BDS, Ayurveda, BPT, engineering, all type of courses. We are giving guidance, and our websites are visited by the lakhs of peoples to get a free services from the cutoff to counseling updates about colleges, reading our blogs. So now in the next slides, we are going to see the non-local cutoff of Telangana. So if you see the non-local cutoff, in the case of Telangana, what do you find, that many of the students from Telangana also can take, because it's open to all. So generally, if you see the cutoff of non-minority colleges, you will see that Nilima has gone till 1,78,000 rank. Nilima has gone till 1,78,000 rank. Otherwise, the maximum cutoff which you see is approximately 1,30,000 rank in the case of Telangana for open to all seat. If you want to go with the Muslim minority seat as a student from outside, the maximum cutoff what you can get is 1,20,000. So there also you can go up to 1,30,000 rank. And for the student who are outside and basically women students, so it is up to the 1,20,000 rank. There is a good chances for you to get the seat in the case of minority colleges in non-local seat in a minority college in Telangana. If you go with the dental colleges, up to 5 lakhs rank, up to 5 lakh rank is a good rank to get the dental seat in a case of KNRHS counseling. So if you see the fee structures of the management quota, this management quota in the private colleges like Apollo, Kamnini, Mamta, Bhaskara, Medicity, SBSC, this is the last year fee structure for the category fees for the B category. If you see the NRI fees here, as I told you, the NRI fees is the lowest in whole India. If you are going to get, they are going to get in case of Telangana. To the seat matrix, going to the seat matrix, as I told you, for the local seat, if you go with the local seat, see, you see the maximum number of seats are reserved for the local, and for unreserved category you will get a very less number of seats. So in the case of, you take any colleges where you are having a 150 seat like an Apollo, the 44 seats will be going to go to the locals and 8 seats will be there. So among the non-local students or unreserved category students are open to all students, generally the competition will be too high in the case of the Telangana counseling. That is the reason when you are seeing the non-local cutoff, the cutoffs was very, very high for the non-locals, and for local when we are seeing the cutoffs, it has gone up to the rank of 5,46,000. If you are going to see the same thing with the same fee structures in Karnataka, generally it will go to 1,50,000 rank even for the local students, because here in Karnataka you do not have that much of the reservation for the locals. If we are going to see, to the other college like CMR, Nova, Arundhati, so you are going to get the same type of things. But when we are seeing in the minority colleges, what you see, as I told you, the 25% seats are only the management seat. So that here you can see the local in 25%, see you are having less number. Even you got 150 seats in Deccan and 150 seats in Nova, you will find the 31 seats are only for locals, and unreserved category is 6 here, it is 8 here, even you are having the same number of seats. But in case of the Nilima, if you go with the Nilima college, here you can see the 90 seats are for unreserved and open to all, local are 38 and NRI are the 22 seats. So if you see the dental seats, because most of the places you are having only 100 seats, you will see the local category seats will be 30, 5 seats are there for the outsiders. But in the case of the Army Dental College, what we are seeing here is that the mainly seat are there for non-local, but it is reserved for the army army personals only. In the case of the ICCC Bharat, we do admissions for medical need UG, medical need PG, Ayush, physiotherapy and B courses. So if you are looking for the admission in a different courses, you can contact us and we will guide you for the same. So if you like to join us, you can join us. Our MBBS counseling is 29,500 and the BDS counseling is 17,700. So if you are having any queries about the admissions in a medical, please call to the given number, and I will suggest you one thing, that in Telangana we are having a very good package system for the MBBS. So if you are looking for the admission in Telangana, let us know about it. We'll help you out from the application filling till the reporting of the college. So best of luck for your admission this year.